Hey everyone, welcome back to Glitch Sip. In this video, I'm going to show you the best weapon recipes in the Forge on Roblox, including some of the most overpowered weapon builds you can craft right now. If you want to deal more damage, clear enemies faster, and progress through the game more efficiently, these weapon recipes are exactly what you need. First, let's talk about why weapon recipes matter. In the Forge, raw stats alone aren't enough. The recipe you choose determines your weapon's damage, scaling, bonuses, and overall performance. A good recipe can turn an average weapon into an endgame level tool, while a bad one can completely waste valuable resources. Now let's break down the best types of weapon recipes. One of the strongest options in the game right now are high damage scaling recipes. These focus on maximizing base damage and multiplying it through upgrades. They're especially effective against elites and bosses. Another top-tier category is status-based weapon recipes. These weapons apply effects like burn, bleed, or debuffs that stack over time. They're extremely powerful in longer fights and in high-level zones. You also want to look for recipes that include attack speed or crit bonuses. Higher attack speed means more hits per second, and critical chance or critical damage massively increases overall DPS. Now let's talk about what makes an OP weapon recipe. An OP weapon recipe usually has high base damage, good scaling with upgrades, useful passive bonuses, and synergy with your playstyle. For example, a weapon that combines high damage, attack speed, and a damage over time effect is far stronger than one that only boosts raw damage. Another important tip is to match your weapon recipe to your role or build. Some recipes are better for fast, aggressive playstyles, while others are perfect for slower, heavy-hitting builds. Also, don't forget about resource efficiency. Some of the best weapon recipes give incredible power without requiring the rarest materials, making them perfect for mid to late game progression. Once you craft your weapon, make sure to upgrade it properly. Even the best recipe won't perform well if the weapon isn't upgraded or enhanced. To summarize, the best weapon recipes in the Forge focus on damage scaling, include attack speed or crit bonuses, use status effects when possible, and synergize with your build. Using these OP weapon recipes will give you a huge advantage and make endgame content much easier. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to Glitch Sip for more The Forge weapon guides, builds, and Roblox tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.